What is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your country on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. Is you want to go to Spotify's website. So Spotify's website is spotify.com. You want to go to spotify.com, and once you go to spotify.com, log into your Spotify account. After you log into your Spotify account, basically you want to click on where it says profile. Click on profile and click on where it says account. Now once you're over here, as you guys can see, my country over here is Nepal. So let's say if I wanted to change it. If I click on edit profile, then try to change my country over here, I still can't. Like you cannot change country in Spotify, but there is one way on how you guys can do it. So for this, you want to go to where it says account overview, and once you're on account overview, you want to scroll down until you see your plan. Once you see your plan, you want to click on join premium. Now remember, to change your country, you need to join premium of Spotify, right? And if you're in premium of Spotify, you can just click on change plan or edit plan. But since I haven't bought the premium of Spotify, it's going to show me this. And once I come over here, I want to click on where it says change country. And I want to change to whichever country I want over here. So let's say I want to change to Hong Kong. I can click on Hong Kong. Once I click on Hong Kong, wait for some time. It's going to show me all the plan available in Hong Kong. Now over here, I need to choose whichever pack I want and click on get started. After that, add my payment method over there. After that, premium will be bought and your country will be changed. So as of right now, you need to buy premium of Spotify, and if you have already bought premium version of Spotify, you can just click on change plan or edit plan and you can change your country. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it.